Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new grammar topic. Ready to begin? Okay. What's written here? If I ask you to read it, how will you read? Yes, you're going to read like A-N-B-A-N. Right? Yes, these are letters or alphabets. What are these? These are letters or alphabets. Now, what if I write all these letters together like this? क्या होगा अगर मैं ऐसे लिख दूँ? Does it make any sense? क्या ये कोई sense बना रहा है? Right? Does it make some sense? No? Can it be called a word? क्या मैं इसको word कह सकती हूँ that this is a word? Yes, I know your answer. No, not at all. This cannot be called a word. So the question arises, then what is a word? Word क्या है? Okay, before we answer the question, let's rearrange the letters of this. Okay, let's see what it makes. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A written together in order. And when I arranged it in order, it became banana. And does it make any sense now? Yes. Can it be called a word? Yes, of course. Now this is a word. So my question again, what is a word? So word is formed when we write the alphabets or letters together in some order, making sense. That is, group of alphabet making sense is a word. क्या समझ आया? Word क्या है? Group of letters. Okay. Now look at this. Wants she ice cream and? Now what is this? It's a group of words. I can see 4 words written here. Wants, she, ice cream, and. Right? But does it make any sense? क्या ये कोई sense बना रहा है? Can it be called a sentence? क्या मैं इसको sentence बोल सकती हूँ? I know you are able to figure out. अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे? आपका आंसर है no, not at all. So what should we do? Let's rearrange. Okay, now when we rearrange, starting with this, she, it becomes she wants an ice cream. Right? Now my questions again. Does it now make any sense? Can this now be called a sentence? Yes, you can call it a sentence. Of course, है ना? So the question arises, then what is a sentence? I know you're able to figure out, like word was a group of letters. Similarly, sentence is a group of words, but make sure the words should be arranged in order, making a complete sense. Right? I repeat, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, and words are arranged in such a order so that they give complete meaning. Okay, now I have something more for you. Look at this now. At the station, in my room, at night, around that corner. Now, do these make some sense to you? When I read all these, yes, of course, it was not making a complete sense. But you're getting some kind of a meaning on it. As if something is missing. ऐसा लग रहा है ना? है ना? These are, you're getting a little or some information and some information seems missing. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ missing है. अगर हम इसमें कुछ add कर दें, तो it might be a sentence. है ना? So, what are such a group of words which make some partial sense? Partial means a little sense, some sense. Okay? not complete. Partial means not complete but a little. So, such a group of words which make a partial sense or meaning but not a complete one is called a phrase. New word to add to. What is a phrase then? So, the phrase is a group of words that make some sense. Phrases can be converted into a sentence by adding some meaningful words to it. Right? Now look at what addition I have done to the phrases written over here. At the station, I converted it into meet me at the station. Now at the station was just pointing to some place and I added meet me, mujhse milo. Now it becomes a complete sentence because it's giving a complete meaning. Similarly, in my room, मैंने क्या add कर दिया? She sat in my room. I usually study at night. So, by adding some bit of information, some meaningful words, I converted the phrases which were giving me some sense to a complete meaningful sentence. Look around that corner. Like around that corner tha na? What I added? Look for your key. अपनी चाबी ढूंढने के लिए वहाँ देखो. Look around that corner for your key. So what's this? This is now a complete sentence making a complete sense. So अभी हमने क्या देखा? What is a word? Word is a group of alphabets arranged in some meaningful order. What is a sentence? Sentence is again a group of words arranged in some meaningful order giving complete sense. But what is a phrase? Phrase is a combination group of words but giving a partial sense, not a complete sense. Okay? But has the capacity to be converted into a sentence by adding some information. That means phrase is a group of words which make some sense, not complete one. But by adding some meaningful words, you can complete it. Now, while I have done this, I have made many sentences. Like, does it make any sense? Its word is what is a word? A word is formed when we write alphabets. What are these? These are all sentences, and we have been making sentences since class 1, है ना? हम now we just वाक्य हम हिंदी में भी बनाते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी बनाते हैं. So आज का टॉपिक हमारा क्या था? Understanding what is a sentence, right? Now what I want from you is open your book, grammar books, go through this page, what's written here. The same thing is explained to you that if you rearrange a group of words in a meaningful order, it is a sentence. The other important thing informed in part B is that words must be placed in order. Second, a sentence always begins with a capital letter, right? For example, this shop does not sell tea. Now, it is a sentence starting with a capital T, right? Here, need IT is not a sentence, so no capital, right? So remember, sentence begins with a capital letter and it has some sign of punctuation to end it. It could be a full stop, it could be a question mark, it could be a sign of exclamation, right? We will be looking at the different kinds of sentences and where to put full stop, where to put question marks, and where to put exclamation in the next video. Okay? Till then, just go through page number 2 of your grammar book and try to solve the part D. Right? The words are written in a jumbled way. You have to write your own answers. And here in part E, the words are not just a few group of words are written. You have to complete this into a sentence by adding few words. So do these both exercises till today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.